Today we're going to bring actually a rechargeable wireless mouse. We're going to take a look at it and see what you get when you get something like this. Now, if you guys notice, it has great LED lights all in front of it. We're going to open it up and see how large it is. And all right, let's take a look at the actual buttons itself. All right, the buttons, you got a couple buttons here. Now, DPI control in here, very quiet when you click on it. It's really smooth little rolling wheel. Now, if you guys notice, there is a USB charging station in the front, and you could also, if it runs out of batteries, you could even directly connect it to it too also. Now, this will go up to 33 feet of length of distance on the wireless, all right? And the wireless device is hidden in the bottom, if you notice. It's a USB here in the bottom, it's real hidden. You could take this anywhere in your backpack. There's an off and on button, and then there's a LED lighting too. All right, so we're gonna take this out. We're gonna plug it in, close the lever out. You just gotta wait for it, and look at this beautiful little mouse. And it's gonna start lighting up as soon as we turn it on. And there's the actual mouse. Look at the actual lighting. Let me turn off some lights so you guys can see. Where every move, it changes color pretty much. That's what I'm noticing. Any click buttons, if I click on it, it lights up in the bottom here. This is a great gaming mouse too, also too, and then it's like doesn't take too much space compared to my existing. This is my Microsoft mouse. Look at the size of it. It's actually a little bit larger, you know, a couple of maybe an inch larger than the original one. So this is my Microsoft mouse, and this is actually a regular mouse. I mean, I actually like this one. It's a lot lighter, really light for gaming, and compared to other expensive mouse. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.